Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Scala real-time interview questions with answers from 1 to 5 out of 350 questions. Before going to the topic, please subscribe my channel, like it and click on bell button. What is Scala? Scala stands for Scalable Language. It is a multi-paradigm programming language. It supports both object-oriented and functional programming language. It runs for JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. What are the major advantages of Scala language? Are there any drawbacks of Scala language? If we use Scala language to develop our applications, we can get the following benefits or advantages and drawbacks. First, we see the advantages of Scala language. That is simple and concise code, very expressive code, more readable code, and 100% type safe language. And also it's immutability and no side effects, more reusable code, more modularity. It's a do more with less code. So, and it is very flexible syntax, and also it supports all object oriented programming features. It also supports all functional functional programming features, highly functional, less error prone code, better parallel and concurrency programming, highly scalable and maintainable code, highly productivity, distributed applications. It's a full Java interoperability and powerful Scala, data structures, DSLs available, REPL, read, execute, print and loop to learn Scala basics. That is REPL. And we see the drawbacks of Scala language. It's a less readable code, bit tough to understand the code for beginners, complex syntax to learn, and less backward compatibility. And the next question is, what is the main drawback of Scala language? Apart from many benefits of Scala, it has one major drawback, that is backward compatibility issue. If we want to upgrade to latest version of Scala, then we need to take care of changing some package names, class names, method or function names. For instance, if you are using old Scala version and your project is using bean property annotation, it was available in scala.reflect, like scala.reflect.bean property in old versions. If you want to upgrade to new Scala versions, then we need to change this package from scala.reflect to scala.beans. And the next one is, what is the main motto of Scala language? Like Java's motto, write once, run anywhere, Scala has do more with less or do more with less code motto. Do more with less means that we can develop more complex program or logic with less code. And the next one is, what are the popular Java Virtual Machine JVM languages available now? Java, Scala, Groovy, and Clojure are most popular JVM languages, Java Virtual Machine languages. Scala, Groovy, and Clojure JVM languages supports both object-oriented programming features and functional programming features. Java SE8 supports all object-oriented programming features. However, it supports very few functional programming features like lambda expressions, functions, type inference, higher order functions. Thank you, friends. we'll see in the coming videos.